This is the Weldwood Contact Cement, not to be confused with rubber cement. This is a different product. It is a product that is used to bond all kinds of different surfaces, and it comes in a 3 fluid ounce can. This is the one that I got. I actually got this to repair these shoes that I refused to part with, and we'll see what happens here. I'll show you what happens. So before you use this, you're going to want to shake it up really good. And just to let you know, this cap is on here really good. When I got it, I had to take a pair of channel locks to loosen it up, and this is what it looks like. Kind of watery. What I'm going to do is peel these back to the point where they won't go back anymore. I'm going to liberally apply this to every part of the shoe that's going to touch. And what I'm trying to do here is I'm going to get it on here and I want to let it set for about 15 minutes. And then once it's tacky to the touch, it will bond together. Let's see what happens. I'm going to start down towards the bottom of the shoe and work it towards the toe. Let's see if I can get another couple months out of these shoes. I'm happy with that. We'll see what they look like after they dry for a while. Let them sit overnight. Went on a little walk this morning, about a half mile. And look at that, my old worn out shoes. I'm going to get another month out of them, I think. I am really happy with that. Pretty awesome. Weldwood Contact Cement.